Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Behind me I've got a huge Aldi haul to share with you guys. I usually grocery shop every 2 weeks. I wish I could grocery shop once a week, but that just doesn't seem to work for our family. Plus I really freaking hate the grocery store. So what just works best for us is every other week. I usually go every other Friday. So like I said, I spent $234, but we eat like 99% of our meals at home, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. My husband takes his lunch and his breakfast to work. So let's go ahead and jump right in and I'll show you guys everything I got. Okay, so we're first gonna start back in this area. I have everything kind of organized by like fruit, bread, eggs, meat, stuff like that into categories on my kitchen table, and my entire kitchen table is full. So we'll start back here. The first thing I got were these Big Dipper tortilla chips. We get these for nachos. And then we got some corn chips. We get these to put in our chicken salads. They're just really good, and I think they're maybe a tiny bit better than croutons. We're gonna go with it. I then got some corn tortillas. I love these for breakfast tacos or for just sweet potato tacos. If you've never had sweet potato tacos, you need to try these out. They're super good. And then I just have some regular whole wheat flour tortillas. These are for my husband and my daughter. And then we saw this, and it looked really good. It's apple fritter breakfast bread. Like I said, my husband takes his breakfast to work, and he thought this sounded really good, so we picked this up. I think this was $2.49, not too bad. And then we have a deal of artisan Italian bread, take and bake. We like to have these with spaghetti or tortellini or whatever. And then we have some cinnamon raisin bagels for my husband to take to work, and then 2 loaves of the honey wheat bread because my husband loves PB&Js. Next to that, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chocolate almond milks. If you've watched any of my previous grocery hauls, you know my daughter absolutely loves chocolate almond milk. She drinks this and water, and that's pretty much it. So we always stock up on those. And then we have an unsweetened original almond milk, 30 calories. We love almond milk, so that's all we drink in this house. So over from that, we have some orange LaCroix. If you didn't know, Walmart has, I think it's a 6 or 8 pack for $3.19. Aldi has a 12 pack for $3.99, so it's a much better deal. I like to buy my LaCroix standard, and I love LaCroix. Next to that, we have 2 deals of the baby spinach. We go through baby spinach like crazy in this house. We usually eat spinach in place of lettuce. And then we have blueberries. I love blueberries. And then we got some peaches. I like to make overnight oats or just regular oatmeal with peaches and pecans. It's really good. And then we have some extremely overpriced cherries. What is with cherries this year? Cherries are my favorite fruit. But I tried to buy a bag at Walmart last grocery trip, and they were $25. Which is ridiculous. I'm not paying that much for cherries. Like, even chicken is not that much. This said $4.99 at Aldi, and I thought that was just for the whole thing, but it turns out it was per pound. So I paid $12.98 for this thing of freaking cherries. This better be the best cherries I've ever eaten in my entire life. We next have 1 bag of pink lady apples. We love strawberries. We love strawberries in this house. 2 bags of their Caesar salad kits. We love these. It just adds some chicken, and then you have an easy dinner for that night. 1 deal of Fit and Active chicken broth. Over from there, we have some tri-colored bell peppers, except there's 2 red and 1 yellow. And then we have some uncured nitrate-free bacon. This is the Never Any brand. We really like this bacon. It says nitrate-free, right? Yeah. No nitrates or nitrates added. This stuff's actually pretty thick. I think it's like $5.49, which isn't bad for nitrate-free bacon. And then we got some top sirloin steak because my husband's gonna smoke some steak probably this weekend for us. That's really good. And then we have some chicken breast tenderloins. This was $5.94. Their chicken breast tenderloins are really cheap, and you get a lot for the price. So we love to get these, and my husband makes fried chicken. And then we have 1 deal of chicken breasts, which was $8.79. Then we have some elbow mac and cheese for homemade mac and cheese. Some whole wheat spaghetti. I wish they had whole wheat macaroni and cheese. They used to. I don't know what happened, but now I only have whole wheat spaghetti. A deal of sweet potatoes. A deal of cilantro. I love cilantro. I know some people taste soap. Comment down below if you're one of the people who taste soap or if you love cilantro. And then we have a bag of extra fine green beans. These are from the frozen section. These are my favorite green beans. think they're only like $1.79 and just cook up really nicely. We have a 3 dill of zucchini. These are really good to make zucchini chips or zoodles with. We then have 2 cartons of eggs. I usually get fresh eggs from my grandpa, but we are completely out of eggs, so I picked up 2 just in case the chickens didn't lay any eggs this time because we cannot be out of eggs. And then I got some 3 cheese tortellini. This is really good with some Alfredo sauce. It's a quick and easy dinner, and then you just put some fresh mozzarella over it and bake it in the oven. Super easy, really yummy. Then we got some creamer. This was in my favorites video. This is just the cinnamon roll, the Friendly Farms cinnamon roll creamer. Really, really, really good creamer. And then every morning I like to put whipped cream on top of my coffee. I know it's not very good for you, but it just feels like a little treat first thing in the morning. So I got another can. Some heavy whipping cream because we're out. I like to add this to a little bit of this Alfredo, and it just makes it a little creamier, and then you add some seasonings and it's just like a nice jar of Alfredo. Then we have some Happy Farms cheddar cheese sticks. My daughter loves these as a quick snack. 2 blocks of Happy Farms mild cheddar cheese for the mac and cheese. 1 bag of Fit and Active reduced fat sharp cheddar cheese. And then 1 bag of reduced fat 4-cheese Mexican blend. These are both just made with 2% milk. And then we have some finely shredded Italian style cheese. This is really good. Again, for Alfredo, for spaghetti. After that, we're gonna have 2 dills of Pop-Tarts. We have the chocolate fudge brand and the s'mores brand. Again, these are just quick and easy for my husband to take to work in the morning. And these are way cheaper at Aldi. They're like $2.79 and they're like $3.89 at Walmart. So if you're buying a Pop-Tarts at Walmart, definitely check out Aldi. And then I love these granola bars. These are like the Kind knockoff brand. They're Simply Nature. They're at the register when you check out. There's dark chocolate cinnamon pecan, apple cinnamon pecan, and another dark chocolate. These are really, really good and an easy snack to throw in the purse, as well as my daughter loves these. These are the knockoff brand of Lower bars. These are the peanut butter cookie bars. This is the Elevation Better For You brand by Melville. Really, really good. These were on sale for $3.99. I then got 2 dills of crescent rolls for Taco Calzone, a thing of vegetable oil for fried chicken, a thing of maple syrup for my husband, Sweet Baby Ray's for pineapple barbecue chicken in the crock pot, really easy. Thing of apple cider vinegar because we were out. We just wanted to try this. This is green sriracha, sweet and spicy chili sauce. We love original sriracha, so we thought we'd give the green a try. 1 dill of 4-cheese pasta sauce. This is good for spaghetti. 2 dills of Alfredo, again for the tortellini and just a quick meal. You can throw this and some chicken in a crock pot and then sprinkle some cheese over it when it's done. Throw some noodles in it, you're good to go. 2 cans of chili beans for smothered burritos. If you've never had smothered burritos, you are missing out, they're good. And then we have onion powder, paprika, and chili powder. We were out of those 3 seasonings and we needed some more. After that, we have a 6-pack of Bounty Boulder Ultra paper towels. We did some comparisons because all these prices seem to be going up lately, and this is $5.99. We went to Walmart and the Bounty Basic brand was $5.79, so you might be better off just buying paper towels at Walmart. Then my husband saw this. I'm not gonna lift it up because it's kind of heavy, but it's Spectracide Weed and Grass Killer with extended control. This was $9.99, and we just want to kill some of the weeds in our front backyard. Then we have some freezer gallon bags. That's for the chicken to split up, and then some tall kitchen drawstring bags by Boulder. These are really nice trash bags actually. I think they're only $4 or $5. And then lastly, we have paper plates. I love paper plates. They make my life so much easier. I just really hate doing dishes, and we just get 2 packs of the 40 plates, and they're comparable to Dixie. They're really nice. The only things not pictured here that we got is a little plastic pool for the dogs for outside. It was $4.99, and then 2 packs of spring water that were $2.29 each. Okay, so I look a little bit different in this clip because I filmed it and it was extremely out of focus. So here I am refilming it, hopefully in focus this time. That's it, that's everything for this grocery haul, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure and give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know where your favorite grocery store to shop at is. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I would absolutely love to have you here. Bye, guys.